So I'm here in San Antonio, Texas with the one and only, the legend, Bruce McGill. Now, Bruce, I gotta be honest, this is no Animal House I'm taking you to, but I did hear about it from my cousin Vinny.
All right.
Enough, okay, I said it a little too soon. Anyhow, here's the story. A military vet gets out, wants to serve Caribbean food to the folks of San Antonio, and, well, she started as a little shack, hence the name. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Fantastic.
Now, that's the intro I was expecting. Now art thou truly Guy. Shall we eat?
Made it through that one. This is the Jerk Shack.
Red pepper coulis,
Everything is amazing.
2 oxtails,
This is my Jamaica here in San Antonio, Texas.
rice and peas.
If you're into Caribbean food, this is definitely the place to be.
That's because Chef Nicola Black's award-winning cooking is literally a dream come true.
My aunt passed away. I had a series of dreams. My aunt was talking to me and she said, you should be sharing our culture with the world.
It's like a Lifetime movie we're getting right now.
That's a really good story.
Yeah. 1 minute on jerk chicken.
The jerk chicken is insane.
It's a complex blend of spices.
With the mac and cheese, I can see why it's won so many awards.
Walk us through this, Chef.
We're gonna start off with the brine. Salt, sugar, oranges, lemons, habaneros, garlic, bay leaves, fresh thyme, and peppercorn.
There you go.
We're gonna add our chicken.
I'll save you.
You're a brave man. How many pounds of chicken are we going through a week here?
Almost 1,000.
1,000 pounds of
Yeah.
jerk? Let's get into the marinade.
Green bell pepper, red pepper, garlic, habanero,
Bunch of thyme.
green onion, white onion, vegetable oil,
What temp, how long?
400 degrees for about 20 minutes.
Got it.
So next we're gonna take our roasted veggies to make our jerk marinade. Fresh thyme, brown sugar, black peppercorns,
Canola?
red wine
wine?
vinegar, molasses,
It's like oil in Texas.
orange and lemon peels, habaneros, ginger,
Flavor town that way.
Did you just hear a Flavor Town drop from the man?
salt, and pepper.
Whoa! All right, so rub this in and then go for another 24 hours.
Yes,
This is not fast food.
Going to the grill?
yes, for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, next we're gonna make our house-made seasoning, granulated garlic, salt, black pepper, and granulated onion.
Okay.
It ties into our jerk barbecue sauce, pre-made barbecue sauce, pineapple juice, jerk marinade, brown sugar, and house seasoning.
All right, let's make some mac and cheese.
Pour down some margarine, onions, heavy cream, half and half, and whole milk.
Got it.
We let this heat, but not to boiling.
Okay, what do we do next?
We're gonna add in our cheddar, mozzarella, and Colby.
Colby Jack. Got it.
We're gonna fold in the noodles, all-purpose seasoning, a little salt, pepper,
All right, so this is gonna go in the half pan, more cheese on top of it.
and cook it under the salamander.
Let's eat. What's in the fries?
Garam masala, turmeric, sugar, salt, and pepper.
That's a normal portion of mac and cheese.
This is our shareable portion.
Look at this. Hang on a second.
Wow.
Wing thigh or drumstick guy?
I'm a thigh guy.
I'm a thigh guy.
Wow, that is gorgeous. Mamma mia. How do you say that in Jamaican?
Your technique's great.
Oh, man.
Barbecue sauce is spot on. You put enough char on this, you get the smokiness. There's great depth of flavor all the way through this. Great spice, not too much.
Oh, it's good.
I was gonna agree with that.
Plating jerk chicken, chef?
It has this like barbecue, mesquite taste to it.
The flavors are so bold in the mac and cheese. Oh, so good.
Like grandma.
Working on the pork sandwich?
When they first started out, they were in a smaller shack.
Lines out the door.
They made it to this location here. It's still same food, just inside.
Who's still hungry?
Oh, yeah.
We're hanging out at the Jerk Shack. We'll see you in a bit. So let's understand this, where it starts from.
Okay,
One, the smile is amazing.
thank you.
I was talking about Bruce's,
Aw.
but that's yours too. Welcome back, Triple D. Hanging out with my buddy Bruce. We have cruised into the Jerk Shack, and we have got the one and only Chef Nicola.
Vegetarian curry, collard greens, jerk egg rolls.
Seeing her do this and seeing this come to fruition has been amazing. It's always made with love.
Rundown shrimp coming up.
The rundown shrimp is amazing. The shrimp with the different spices and herbs.
That's one of my favorite things on the menu.
Rundown is not just your name for this. This is actually a traditional dish.
Traditionally made with mackerel. I switched it to shrimp. It's a huge hit here. We're gonna make the red pepper coulis. Char off our peppers, garlic already peeled, green onion, vegetable oil, some white onion, our house seasoning, and some water.
Okay. I love it. Okay, what do we do next?
Rice and peas. Veggie oil, green onion, habaneros, minced garlic,
Veggie stock in.
coconut milk, allspice,
This is not normal peas and rice, by the way.
peppercorn, thyme, bay leaves, our house-made seasoning, pigeon peas, rice, and cook it down stovetop.
Let's cook the shrimp.
So we're gonna start off with some achiote oil,
Great color.
onions and peppers,
Those are beautiful shrimp.
I love that you're leaving the tail on.
crushed garlic,
Our coulis.
coconut milk,
I know why they call it rundown shrimp, because you want to run down and get some.
Run down, get some.
butter, thyme, our house seasoning, veggie stock.
Got it.
Next, we're gonna make sauteed cabbage and carrots, margarine, shredded cabbage, and carrots. Saute the vegetables down with our house-made seasoning.
Let's eat.
Rice, sauteed cabbage, rundown shrimp, green onions.
Beautiful, huh?
Oh, man.
Bruce, I don't know if it's a blessing or a curse. This could expand the waistline.
It's not a curse at all. I have willpower.
Good, I don't.
Yes, you do. You look gorgeous.
I just have my hair done. It's not overly spicy. You get that nice rolling heat in the back. The shrimp is springy and snappy, perfectly cooked. The veggies have got a little bit of caramelization to them, but still you do get.
Fresh crunch.
Really comes together.
Fantastic.